This latest YouTube story exposed Shivangi Majithia, the adult social care lawyer at London Borough of Ealing, in her attempt to deliver Reablement package of care in the damp property, which she has contravened the Health and Safety at Work Act of 1974, Occupier Liability Act of 1957, under Section 2, define the common duty of care that an occupier of the premises owes to all its visitors. The common duty of care to take such care as in all the circumstances of the care is reasonable. To see the visitor will be reasonable safe, including the premises for the purpose of which he invited or permitted by the occupier to be there. In addition, Majithia ignored the issue of the housing disrepair on the Defective Premises Act of 1972, and she contravened the Landlord and Tenant Act of 1985 under Section 11. In other words, Shivangi Majithia, she has breached the Employment Rights Act of 1996, Section 44, by sending the carer to work in the damp property, which is serious health hazard, which breathes toxic, and it is a death trap within the property. And she has breached the Environment Protection Act of 1990. She had failed to take the whole issue on the housing disrepair, which her colleague Michelle Andekande acknowledged there's been serious thing on the housing disrepair. In other words, Majithia had been involved of trying to shut down the housing disrepair case. She was involved in the corruption scandal, trying to offer £150 to the service user to shut down the case as continued abuse. In other words, Ms. Shivangi Majithia have breached the Environment Protection Act of 1990 under Section 79. In addition, Ms. Majithia failed to take consideration under the Home Fitness for Human Habitation Act 2018, and she has contravened the Housing Health and Safety Rating System, the HSSRS of the Housing Act of 2004, by failing to give due regard and by not taking the issue very seriously, and she has failed to consider the housing disrepair in this context.